Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 446. Taking a look at analysis for crypto now. If you're catching this stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're willing to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. So is the link to the amazing articles that we cover here. Sometimes there's no articles tonight, but we'll talk about some news stuff. I'm actually going to change the name of the stream. Wow, awesome. Thanks, Jake. I didn't know the mic wasn't on, but wow. Apparently the mixing is really weird for some reason. There we go. Can you guys hear me well? It sounded like it was going insanely high, so yeah, thanks, man. I'll do the whole intro again. Thank you guys for being here. Again, this is the Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. Today's episode 446, technical analysis for crypto, and XRP getting delisted from Coinbase. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, just hit that sub, that bell, and that, hit that sub, that bell, and that like, right? Give us a thumbs up, the thumbs up. Turn it down a tad. Awesome, dude. Thanks for letting me know, dude. All feedback is good, man. There we go. Music is a little bit lower now. Apostolic in asking for Ethereum up to USD Tether. Sure, man. That's it. Let's roll. Let's get the show on the roll, man. Let's get the show on the road, man. Sorry about the mic not working earlier. I'm not sure what happened with that, man. I was positive I was talking, and then all of a sudden Jake says, like, dude, you're muted. And I'm like, thanks, dog. Thanks for letting me know, man. I really appreciate that. The whole thing's about having, you know, awesome live streams. That's why I need a stream deck, dude. It's so much easier to, like, monitor. Like, if I hit mute and, like, I see the little red button there, you know, instead of, like, having to scroll through everything here on OBS, because, like, my mic is, like, way lower, and then checking whether or not I have mic on. Thank you guys for being here again, and bear with me for that quick second as I fixed everything. Let's jump onto transition. There we go. What is happening on crypto, man? Well, there's news of delisting. First one comes to us from Steve. He says, Coinbase is going to delist XRP. And guess what? Coinbase does suspend XRP trading following SEC suit against Ripple. Yes, Coinbase said, well, suspend trading XRP. It's not getting delisted, it's just suspending trading, right? So I should address the title, because I'm going to get a lot of hate from people. If I just leave it as suspended, right? I'm gonna get hate from haters, man, because, you know, haters gonna be coming in and saying, XRP's not getting delisted, it's just getting suspended. Same thing, you cannot trade it, you cannot move it around. Deal with it. Discord General, Crypto.com also. Sure, man, I'll check out the Discord General and see what you sent me. Right, Jake sent a message saying, notice, XRP delisting from the Crypto.com app, effective January 19, 2021. Hi, I'm Eastern. Deal about customer effective January 19, 2021 at 10 a.m. UTC. XRP will be delisted and trading suspended from the Crypto.com app in the US below. Please find how the listing XRP will handle across Crypto.com's products. That's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting, man. See, here it just says suspend trading. They're not talking about delisting yet, I think. So I'm just gonna have to, like, dig into the article real quick. To receive and withdraw functionality after trading suspension. So you're going to receive and withdraw, but you're basically not going to be able to trade there. Right, that's fine. So they're really not really killing it 100% yet. They're not delisting it. They're just suspending it here. So that's fine. My assumption was correct. Great stuff happening for XRP. Who knew, right? From your email. That's awesome, dude. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything, because there was a lot of chat at the beginning. Where's his music? Right. Yeah, XRP getting listed. Yeah. Jake said my S9 is running on 2 of 3 boards. Not clock setting, and don't want to fry out. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. I'm glad that you're mining stuff. Bitcoin, Jake the miner. Mining Bitcoin Jake. So what is happening with market cap, dudes? Higher. Awesome was positive, right? We had the bearish divergence, starting to move down. I know we called that. Yesterday we still managed to pump 3.44%. You know, today we're starting to drop a little bit, 1.79%, approximately $12.85 billion. Sitting on a market cap of $706.13 billion. What? Yes, still bought at 68.44 on the RSI. What is happening with Bitcoin? Dominance at 69.95. Look, it's lost dominance yesterday. 0.25 today, 0.11. Again, at 69.95. I do want to see Bitcoin lose more dominance. It's going to be good for the cryptosphere. You can still go up in price and lose dominance. It just means that alts are getting a little bit more attention. And it's good that alts get attention, right? We know that. What is happening with Bitcoin's futures? At $26,875. So where is the price of Bitcoin? $26,591 and 98 cents. Again, bearish divergence, right? We did pull back slightly, a little bit. Action to downside, that was what we were expecting to get, and that is precisely what we're getting, what we asked for. The bearish divergence, some slight movement down. We know we're going to get, we need to start making price action to downside, right? We've just been overbought for a while now, and we're like, everything has been above, right, on the MACD. So we need to start making slightly negative momentum before we take another run. I'm not sure we're going to get it before the first, though, right? Because it has to drop. It's a daily. But I do hope that we get to see a $30,000 Bitcoin, which right now is seeming a little bit out of there because, you know, Bitcoin's moving down. But again, it could just move down, hit a support and bounce. Do we have supports here? Maybe in the 4 hour we're going to be able to find out. But right now, sitting overbought at 74.11 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. What do we have, man? Bearish divergence, right? On the 4 hour. What happened since we called it? We've been moving down. Down. Try to pump, failed, down, and down. We haven't hit the 20 on the 4 hour chart, which would be a primary target. And then we might be trying to find some support, probably down here, I would say. Maybe in the 1 hour. I'll look in the 1 hour for support, but I'll just do this one right now, and then I'll just try to confirm it on the 1 hour. Make sure we have this one properly set up. But Bitcoin, again, might move down slightly, right? What are we doing? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on there, side to our points. Everything's good. We don't have anything bullish. Just neutral. At 57.42, we're coming back to neutral territory. That's fine. Jake saying, oh, I'm suspended from Twitter. Yeah, I read that, dude. I saw that. That sucks. Anyways, so you posted it on the DVT Discord, so yeah. So what is happening with Bitcoin, dude, on the 1 hour? Had the bearish divergence, moved down, hidden bullish, took a pop, right? Again, went slightly higher or slightly lower. Let's check it out, dude. I need to zoom in here. Slightly lower, so we failed to go higher in the previous high, right? So high, low. And then where are we at here? 58, 57, so less. High, low, positive is positive, right? Everything's good there, man. Oh no, what are we doing? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point, right? So nothing bullish. Again, consolidating at this level, we're breaking below this area of support. And this is one I drew recently, right from here, hitting here, and then here. And, you know, we held it as support for a little bit. Even these two candles tried to hold support, and then we just broke it. So where are we going right now? Let's fix this. Let's try to find some areas here. Maybe we can find some support here, I would say. Right around here sounds legit. Right, look, we have candle closing here. Right, we have resistance here. We seem to have wick data support. So we might have support on 26,406. Let's hope that really holds, because otherwise, really, there's really not a lot of areas that we could find support right now. Maybe something here. I'm trying to guess. Right, if we have something here. Could be, I mean, dude, I'm not too confident on this one. Because, you know, this one at least, you know, resisted and then supported. This might be some support here at 24,900, right? Seem to have hit it as resistance a couple times. Then here became support. This one, I'm not too confident on this one. Right, I'm gonna leave it on. It looks like we resisted here and then became, you know, support, took a bounce, and then became support again, and then really popped. So I'm gonna try to go with this one at 25,596 right now. At least it's looking like it might be there. Boomer! Evening, Janks. Think about getting exciting things. What? Things about to get exciting, I think. Yeah. Awesome. Sir, airdrops a lot. How you doing, man? Right, so that's it for Bitcoin right now. Oh, we go to what Jake posted? Or who's Shackle Y? Or Boobies? Shackle Boobies. I'm not sure who that is. It's all good, man. Looking at Bitcoin dropping slightly. Starting to think that we might not hit 30K by New Year's Day, right? And XRP really taking a massive drop. So other than that, everything's fine, man. You know, neutral at 43.97 on the RSI. Hello, dude. This one here, it's with the small drops that it's getting. I do believe we might have something now. 43.51, 45, slightly higher, right? And this also slightly higher. I just pulled back up, so. Then here it's 44.64 negative, and then this is 37.05 negative. So You know, negative, less negative, low, high. So we don't have anything yet. If it drops slightly lower, we might have some bullish, hidden bullish divergence. Very slight though, maybe not very strong. So we'll see. I'm gonna do something I rarely do, and it's on the fact that we don't have a lot of information. I'm gonna go to the half-hour Bitcoin, see if we can find something here. See low, lower, negative, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. Then here, right, where we're moving down, we're gonna hit it here on the half hour. Look at this. Alright, we don't have it against the RSI. Just against the MACD, strong bearish divergence, and that's what's moving us down. We haven't created anything bullish yet. Could we, and this is what I was looking for, right? If this drops slightly lower, we're gonna go low, lower, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. Have some strong bullish divergence and maybe try to recover. But it's not looking too likely right now. It just looks like we're just, you know, floating sideways. Like low, high, higher low, lower high. Slightly lower low on the first low, but you know, still lower high. So, you know, not looking too good for Bitcoin right now. Just sideways, right? I'm also not giving you a pessimist. You know, this head and shoulders really don't seem to be triggering, right? The potential one that we were looking for, which I said, look, we gotta wait. Don't look too textbooky. I'm not gonna put a lot of thought into this. Just revisiting and see what we were doing with this pattern. That's it for Bitcoin. Let's go check out Ethereum because you know it's just moving down slightly, but that's fine. You know. Where were we at last night? We were live here last night at 26,800s. We're just like 200 below where we were at yesterday night. So we really haven't moved much, right? How low will Ethereum up go down? All right, we'll check out Ethereum up though. Let me check out Ethereum first, and then we'll check out Ethereum up because they're kind of related. So, right. So Ethereum to the dollar. Let's go on the daily. Right, look at this beautiful pump, dude. Where to? Where to? 733. We're rejected, right? We just drew this area. And look, we came back to support at 705, and then we were trying to reject that lower area, so that's fine. The bearish divergence that we were looking for is no longer here, at least not against the MACD. Also not against the RSI on the short term, so we'll get rid of this. Right, can we go from longer areas? Yeah, from here, right? Previous high to a new high. Right, and then go like this, right? So look, here to here, and then from here to here. So there is strong bearish divergence. For me, it's too long for time period to consider, but it is there, right? We're going from the previous high on the RSI to the new high that we're making. And we're coming in higher, so we're coming in lower, so strong bearish divergence. Probably why we're moving down, right? Again, Ethereum is very likely going to follow Bitcoin, right? And we know that. We've established that plenty of times. Sitting bought at 64.72. But I like Ethereum is performing well. Now we had bearish divergence. We moved down to 671 again. Taking that nice pop, rejecting 733, right? And moving above it, and then come back down, testing that support at 705. So nice. Right on, dudes. This is looking good. Right? Because we still have this divergence to here. We still have that divergence to there. He already played out slightly. Probably still playing out here. We don't have it against the MACD, just against the RSI, and we're seeing bought at 60.74. Still go down slightly. It looks like we really want to hold on to that support at 705 right now. And then on the 1 hour, right, we were at this area. We created divergence, strong bearish. Action to the downside. We're floating around here throughout the stream. Managed to get above this area, which was fine. Then we came up to hit resistance. So 133, that's fine again. We still have the bearish divergence. I'm just going to keep on tracking this one, right? So you can see what I'm talking about. Low to high. Positive less positive. High on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI, right? So this divergence is here. Andrew's saying that I need to clear my cache to not be shadow banned. You did it today. TikTok and your visitors started getting more views immediately. Awesome, dude. Your videos. That's good, man. Alright. Oh, what is this? I mean, Brave. I'll try it out, man. Why not? It could be that is the issue, right? So what's happening? We had bearish divergence. We moved down. And we try to take a pop slightly higher. I'm going to check if we created something, but I doubt we created something. We're creating some hidden bullish right now. They go from high, or positive to less positive, and high to low on the other side, right? So more strong bearish divergence. Then we're really moving down. Again, T support is 105. Then we're coming from low to high. Negative, more negative. Alright, and on the RSI, we are also, looks like we're coming lower. 45, 41. 45.07, we are. We are. By the way, I just noticed that you're not seeing the price targets. There we go, man. For some reason, I didn't move my screen today, and like the window got slightly larger, I think. So there you are. Anyways, right? Good stuff. Hitting 705, man. Funding support. So I like that. Again, if Bitcoin keeps on moving down, it will very likely put some pressure on Ethereum to move down. So I'd rather see Bitcoin just move sideways slightly. So now we're going to go see our champ. Or champ coin of truth. A lot of people came in here. They told me it's not going to go to 20 cents again. You know, it's going to stay in 30 cents. They're not going to let it fall, man. It's not going to go below 25 cents anymore. Guess what? XRP at a mighty 22 cents. 22.55 cents. What? It wasn't looking too strong. We're dropping now. Well, you can see this one we wicked 20 cents. Here we're really seeing that drop happen slowly. But it's there, man. I remember Soka was in here asking me this day whether or not he should get back into XRP. I was like, don't do it, man. They have bad news, man. You gotta wait. And he did. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there's a lower point, right? Short term, I mean, we are creating some bullish divergence. Low, lower, right? I mean, I don't think it's going to really play much to the upside. Probably everyone in the XRP army is going like, but Bitcoin, XRP getting delisted from Coinbase is good because, you know, now we can only have it to ourselves and we're the only ones that matter. Something like that. Sorry, by the way, Apostolic, sorry, man, I forgot Ethereum up. So we'll do Ethereum up real quick. Because you asked about that, and I said I was going to do it right after Ethereum because they were related. So we'll do Ethereum up real quick. I think we already looked at it once, so... we haven't. Awesome. Right, so Ethereum up, dude. Does it have stuff going on for it? Yeah, it has some strong bearish divergence, right? Low to high. Hello. Low to high. Just against the MACD, that's fine. Again, potential action to the downside. Where would we go? Well, I don't have a lot of data for Ethereum up, so I would say here, very likely we're trying to hit a support, right? The previous high here. If we drop there, we might be trying to hold on to some support. I'm trying to figure out, dude, because we don't have a lot of areas here built. I'm seeing a lot of congruency on these areas. Maybe the 4-hour might be able to see this a little bit better. But anyways, bearish divergence, action to the downside. Bought at 60.79. That's it for the daily, right? Let's go to the 4-hour. Right on, man. I like this one, dude. Are we going higher? 1.18, 1.36. Anyways, Ethereum up at $49.26. High to low, right. I like this one. We have some strong bearish divergence here as well. Here's some strong bullish divergence, right, for that pump to happen. Now we're creating strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside. We're starting to move down. Target would be the 20. Right now, 45.90. Again, maybe try to find some support here, right, at 48, the previous high. Right, this previous high here. We'll have support here. I doubt it, man. This could be an interesting area of support. I'm just going to draw it as a rectangle. So I'll go from, I guess, here to here, maybe. This could be an area of support, resistance, right? There we go. This could be an area where we could try to find support and resistance, right? So I'll look at that as a target. If we were to break it to 20. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, there's a lot of bearish divergence. You can probably see this as clear as day if your eye is now trained. I trained your eyes. Now you must train your soul and your heart. Will you have the heart of a trader? Something like that. I'm not sure. It would be like a good movie, right? The Trader. What? Right, so we have some strong bearish divergence also here, right? Against the MACD and the RSI. And then we started to break down on that. So we're moving down, hitting that 48.65 area that we just drew. Rejecting it right now, coming back down to it. Do we have something bullish? Yeah, dude, we have some hidden bullish. All right, we're not forgotten. Right, so low, to higher low, negative, less negative. Sorry, negative momentum, more negative momentum, and then low on the RSI to a lower point, right? So we are creating some strong bullish divergence, and maybe action to the upside. Get short. Yeah, that's it, dude. Right now, target will be here, below 20. Again, if we lose there, 43.88 could be a target to 41.32, right? The 1 hour might have a look. See this data here, how we worked here. Zero support, zero resistance support. That's why I'm calling it an area, because we don't have a lot of data to go back to. So I'm just highlighting it as an area where we could like try to hit and bounce. That being said, that's it for Ethereum up USDT. So let's go back to our XRP. Continue the show. Yes, sir. On XRP. What is happening with XRP? Well, it has that strong bullish divergence that I'm calling for on the RSI. But that's going to come to fruition. Sitting at 30.46. I do believe now it's really going to go below 20 cents, dude. You know, it could be once more exchanges start stopping trading, we're going to see this decrease a lot more. Particularly when people try to get their money out and put it somewhere else. Volumes are definitely going to fall. And with dwindling volumes, it's going to become a little bit more erratic, I think. So let's go to the 4 hour. Again, that's just the US though. Remember, XRP is still going to be trading on other platforms worldwide. So, you know. Andrew's saying, I'll buy XRP under 5 cents. Yeah, I'll probably also buy XRP under 5 cents. I'll probably buy some XRP at 10 cents, to be honest. Not a lot, but I'll probably add some. I'm trying to play at a small bounce. Who knows? We'll see how quickly it goes down. How low can you go, XRP? How low can you go? I want to know. Right, so lower low, negative, less negative, right? We are starting to manufacture this bullish divergence, but remember, this is the first red candle that we're getting. This could still go on dropping, this will go on building. I don't believe one candle or one bar does not, divergence does not make it, right? So we have that bullish divergence also against the RSI, but again, we're starting to drop. So just remember that it could still drop more. Anyways, strong bullish, potential movement to the upside, but I doubt it. Trying to hold support at the 24.62 cent area. I do believe we're gonna drop to the 20s though, maybe even lower. Bye bye XRP. It was nice to see you. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, did I forget to anchor? I did. I did forget to anchor, man. I don't know what's up with me tonight. It's been a long day, dude. I just got told by HR that I needed to complete some lessons online that I'd forgotten. And it's like 17 hours that I gotta finish before end the year. So they're all on hiring criteria, hiring stuff. They're all HR related courses, but it's like for my position, they're like compulsive, so I have to finish them. Like there's no skipping it. So today I just did like 5 hours. Tomorrow I'm gonna do like another 5 or 6, and then Wednesday I'm gonna do like another 6. So just my whole day has been doing like this freaking lessons, which are like, and then it's not like you just watch the video and that's it. You get tested, you have quizzes, you have like challenges. So it's like freaking insane, dude. It's like torture because I hate HR stuff, HRE stuff. But, you know, it comes with the job, so I guess that's how it rolls. Low, high, negative, low, there's higher point. Nothing there. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there's like the lower point. Oversold at 22.16. That's it, dude. Scott Wilder! Is it even ever fee trading? What? Is it ever fee trading? Dude, Scott, I didn't get what you said, bro, but thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Is it ever fi trading? Ever fi? Not sure. Let's go to Litecoin. Because, you know, XRP is, you know, slowly dying. So it's just blinking out right now. Litecoin at $127. Really not dropped much, right? Kind of held nicely. Has bearish divergence. We're expecting the price to go down still. Bought at 65.47. Not really a lot going on here. Still above that 786 at $119.80. The hour trading. No, it's the HR trading. No, it's on Social Talent or something like that. Dude, it's just like, you know, they're fun, but they're like, there's a lot of information, dude, that you gotta, like, you know, retain. And like 5 hours of just constant like HR stuff. It's like, if it was something that I was passionate about, it would be cool. But it's like, you know, it's like I have to do it. I'm really not passionate. I'm trying to make the best of it, but it's just like, you know, a little bit boring. But you know, I'll just get it done in time, and that's it. That's what I had to do, man. Right? So tomorrow I might do 5 to 6 hours, maybe, and then 5 to 6 hours on Wednesday, and then I'll have it done before the 31st, which is the deadline. So great stuff happening, right? Oh man, that was weird. It's bearishness. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Oh, we had the bearish divergence. We moved down to the 20. We took a bounce lower than the previous high. More bearish divergence. Moving down again. Below the 20. Oh no, we're tightening on the Bollinger Bands. We might get an explosive move. We might go somewhere. Bubmo! Guess what? I did it. It's not on the same font because I could not do it on Stream Elements, but your name's up there with the tippers. I did it. How do I feel about full-time traders? What do you mean, how do I feel about full-time traders? I used to be a full-time trader, so it's fun. I mean, I was commodities trading, but it's fun. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there's a hard point. Neutral at 51.63, that's it, dude. Not a lot happening here. Just losing the 20, we might break down on that, you know. Crypto Boss Andrew, I want to be a full-time trader. Awesome, glad to support. Yeah, thanks, Bob. Don't gotta do this BS like HR. I know. Well, it's good. Like, it's learning, right? So it's like, you know, it's like lessons that I gotta take, and it's good for, like, you know, when you need to hire people, to have good hiring criteria, and, like, you know, it's not like BS HR stuff. It's like real in-depth HR stuff. Like, you know, people might put in their CVs like some stuff, and it's like basically how do you prove it on the interview, right? Like with examples, how do you put them on the spot with not on the wrong way, but basically how do you ask them to demonstrate with examples, how to put constraints in the questions so that, you know, you have them thinking and really determine whether or not they're going to be a good fit for the company, and whether or not they're really just BSing their way on the CV or on the resume, right? So it's interesting. Like I said, I'm not super passionate about it, but I am finding the positive stuff in it, which is good, right? Because, you know, they're like, the reason we're doing it is because we need to, like, up our hiring criteria game. So it's not something that's gonna, you know, work for me here. It's a free coursework that I'm taking, basically from the company, paid by the company. But it's just not gonna. It's just gonna help me improve not only for this company, but for anywhere else I go, and I'll have just better hiring criteria and stuff happening. So it's good, man. I like, you know, Don't like it, but, you know, I'm trying to find the positive side of it. I'll just leave it at that. Go lower, negative more, negative one, there's a low point. Nothing here on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Oh, we had the bearish divergence. We fell to bump higher than the previous high. What is this? 60. 61. Ha ha ha. We have some bearish divergence against the RSI. We also might have something against the MACD. Just give me 1 second, though. Found it first against the RSI, so I'll just focus on that one. Low to high. So high to low, low to high. What are we doing over here? Oh, we're going from very little positive to more positive also, right? So that hidden bearish divergence coming into play, moving us down, shaking the tree. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a lower point. What? We're starting to create some hidden bullish. Probably why we had this small stall here. Target would have been the 20. We're failing below there. We could be taking a breather before we actually run up again. Again, it's going to be very dependent on Bitcoin and what Bitcoin does. Buffmo, any chance you can move the mistletoe? Guess what? I got a toe missile for that. And I'll do that. Boom. Yes. Oh, no, sorry. Never mind. I did something I didn't want to do. That's it. Let's go. It's gone. There you are, man. Bye-bye, mistletoe. It's not longer Christmas, so I should get rid of the Christmas decorations. I should start putting, like, New Year's stuff, right? But it's not quite New Year's yet. So we'll get rid of this as well, I guess. Yes, remove tree. And remove the lighting. Yes. Remove thy lights. There we go, man. Stream's back to normal. We're no longer a happy, merry, Christmassy stream. We're plain and sober. Thank you. I'm kidding, dude. But Mo, any chance you can move the missile? It's already been moved again. Victor Miller, growth's always good, unless it's a growth. Well, it depends. Yeah. Happy New Year. You hated that. But no worries, dude. You hate what, Steve? That everything that's Christmassy and cheery is gone. You have buff to, like, you know, thank for that. We'll get like new Christmas, like New Year's stuff going on, dude. I gotta find like New Year's images, and I'll start putting them up slowly. Figure out something though, right? We can have some fun with Christmassy stuff, so I guess that works. Just gotta go find images for that. Right, so Litecoin, that hidden bullish, trying to pop us, but really we're losing it again. If we managed to stay above this area, we could try to get another go at the 20, but I doubt it. Right now, it looks like Bitcoin wants to move down slightly. It wants to take a rest and a breather prior to New Year's. So it can come with like full strength and give us massive wheelies of green candles for 2021, hopefully. But all I had to do was move it 1 inch. You love the holiday stuff, New Year's Eve countdown stream. Yeah, I need to get something going, dude. I'm not sure how to put a New Year's countdown thing, but I'll figure out something to put there. And, you know, it's good. I will change the decoration for the next stream. That's good. Don't worry, Steve. We'll still have, like, stuff coming in. Just got to write it down. I'm not sure how much time I'm going to have tomorrow. Like I said, right now I'm loaded with stuff, particularly since I have to do that HR stuff that I don't want to do. I gotta find something online that I can put here that will be a New Year's countdown. This is for Litecoin, dude. Again, it's starting to go lower. So let's go look at Binance. Binance, $38. Took a massive pump today. What is this sorcery, man? We kind of killed whatever kind of divergence we had. 545, 5.7, slightly higher, you know. This is developing, so it could still pull back down, you know. But right now, I'll just leave it to where we have it. We had that divergence right to here. We no longer have it here. Against our RSI, we do still, right? Low to high, then the previous high to new high. So we'll have that strong bearish divergence. But right now, I'll leave it as it is. See how this goes. Dude, it's almost at $40 where it was 2 years ago, right? Wasn't it like 2018 when, or 2019? Was it 2019 where you hit like $43? Yeah, we're almost where we're at a year ago, right? No. Wait, forget that. When was the last time Binance was up here? June 2019. Right. It was so low in December. That was the entry. December was a $4 entry. See that nice rally. So yeah, good stuff happening for Binance finally starting to move. He's doing stuff. Probably is getting a lot of movement because people are getting out of XRP maybe. But Mo saying, thinking of emptying out most of my altcoins for Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and Litecoin. Talk me out of it. Steve, you got a customer. But Mo apparently wants to go into something else that is not alts except for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. So I know you're the Cardano pre-sure, so you know, have a go at it. And right on cue, man. There goes the comment. Right on. So let's go to the 4-hour, man. Bearish divergence, right? We moved down, hit the 20, took a pop. That's like we called the move to the 20. I wasn't sure. Like, this surprised me, dude. I'm not sure why we're getting this massive green bar. It could be on people getting out of XRP and onto something else, but, you know, who knows? Maybe people getting out of XRP onto Binance Coin. You know, what are we at here, dude? Overbought at 73.41. Low to high, positive, less positive. Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. You can do it. Oh, man. We're definitely going slightly higher there, but here we're coming lower, so I'll just go from here right now. So we have strong bearish divergence against the RSI. That's it, dude. Overbought at 73.45. Potential movement down, maybe to the 20. You know, 20 being at $34.33. By the way, if you're watching now, do this. Hit that like that about that sub. What exchange? Coinbase says no. What do you mean Coinbase says no? I didn't get that. Well, Coinbase US is probably going to have to halt XRP trading and comply with the SEC. But Binance US is going to probably have to like stop trading XRP. But Binance.com is definitely going to have to comply. Coinbase says no. Crypto.com, KuCoin, Kraken, no ADA on CB. Really? Get on another exchange, bro. If your exchange is not listing your coin, then it's not really an exchange, is it? Go the next route. Right, low to high, positive, more positive, high there, such a hard point. There's really nothing here to look for, right? Because, you know, Binance is just like massively going up right now. 4%. It just looks huge compared to the rest of the micro candles it was making. Overbought at 79.40. Man, I'm expecting some pullback just in the fact that it's overbought. But, you know, just the fact that Bitcoin is dropping, it could be that people are getting out of Bitcoin onto Binance, out of XRP onto Binance, you know. That's probably the driver for Binance's price action to the upside. That's the only thing I can attribute to it. Because it doesn't have anything here on the technicals. On that note, let's go check out ADA. Because, you know, Steve came in and he said, ADA, that's it, I'm done. So, let's do ADA. Hells yeah, man. If y'all got any requests, let me know. Because ADA is taking a massive rate dump. The daily. Oh, the daily. What are you doing? We're still pumping, dude. We did manage to get above that 17.15, which is nice. Proves 100%. We already tested as support. We pumped to a mighty high of almost 20 cents. Oh, not even that high. 19.32. Right now we're sitting at 17.85. Pulling back down. Do we have something? Low, high, positive, more positive. High on the RSI to a higher point. Bottom of the RSI at 61.40. What? Yes. It all happened. It's true. I've seen it with this eyes. We're creating strong bearish divergence, guys. Right? I'll just go from here to here, though, right? Look, high, high on the RSI to lower point. Here we do have these two bars. You can choose to ignore them. If you do, you just go from here to here, right? Boom, boom. Right? Strong bearish divergence. Other than that, really not a lot going on. So yeah. Neutral, sorry, bought at 61.23. And again, that's if you want to ignore these 2 bars. If you don't, if you want to be really technical and say, no, there's an island there, you just delete that and you still have it against the RSI. GRT, UMA, sure, bro. Hey, Ethereum about to go below the 7. We'll see in a second, dude. Let me finish ADA and I'll jump to Ethereum, see where it's at, and then I'll do Girth and Yuma. Low to high, high to low, right? So, Andrew, by the way, dude, I'm not sure if it was the cash thing that you were telling me about, but I was not getting my notifications that you were going live. So, if you want to go on the Set of Crypto and say you're going live on TikTok, that's fine, bro. I don't mind it, and I'll definitely probably be looking for that. So you can just tag out everyone on videos, and that's fine, right? We don't have anything here against the RSI, just against the MACD. Bearish divergence, it's actually downside. Bought at 65.82. No. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, higher, positive, more positive, high, and there's such a higher point. There's really nothing here that is bearish. We're just breaking down because we were overbought probably, and Bitcoin moving down might have something to do with this. So losing 4% right now. Trying to pump slightly. Again, look at this beautiful, dude. Look at this nice move, right? So from 14.99, we rode it all the way up here to 618, hitting at 17.27. Look at that. Rejected once, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Finally managed to get above it. Wicked indecision, then find support there, and then really just took off from there. So really, real resistance here, man. Wow, that's good. And then, you know, Bitcoin party pooping on everyone, right? So let's go check out again Ethereum real quick. It's about to break the 700. Yeah, it's breaking 705. Dang it. We still have hidden bullish divergence. And, you know, like I said, hidden bullish is a tricky thing. You can go on dropping forever. You can drop all the way down here to 637. 636, and you'll still have hidden bullish divergence, right? I do have my own Telegram that I tell everyone on. That's cool, man. If you want another outlet, you know, it's there. So just putting it out there in case you want to use it. I also have a Telegram group. I just never go in there because there's no one there. I should start promoting that also. Just so you know it's not BS. I like rarely log on to Telegram. Because I just get a lot of spam there, dude. Like a lot of spam. See? Is this Set of Crypto? Telegram? It says, I have 1 member. I do have 1 member. I looked at it earlier. It was there. Up to, I can have 200. Like, there's really no history there, dude. Like, cause I never promoted it. I never pushed it. I just get a lot of spam there, so I rarely log on to Telegram. It's just insane. I get, like, a lot of people offering, like, free crypto where there's really nothing there. You know, it's just a scam. So it's just like, I decided to, like, not push that. Ethereum keeps dropping. I wonder if it will bounce. That's what we're talking about, dude. There's really not a lot of support and resistance in this area. We might try to find something here briefly. I'll, like, put it in another color. I doubt this is going to be strong, though. 700, right? It's around, like, it's 700. I shouldn't even put anything there. It's psychological support. 699. Oh no, we're gonna drop. How low can you go? You know why it's dropping? Because Bitcoin's dropping. Look at Bitcoin hitting support at 26,406, right? And now it's dropping below there. No, Bitcoin, you can do it. Hold on to that. Where can Bitcoin go? We already said down here. I'll extend this one just so we can keep on tracking it, but 1, 2, 3, right? This old 4. This old support might try to hold. Who knows, right? This old blue line here. Hold on, you old blue line. I'm not sure, dude. I'm not looking too strong. In the half hour, like I said, right? We're looking for that bullish divergence. I don't think we have it. This is a bullish divergence I was looking for. And 47.34, 48, right? So more negative momentum, and then lower on the RSI. So definitely nothing there. It's pulling back up a little bit, 48.25 still. Not sure we're gonna undo this right now. Not looking too hot for Bitcoin, right? This is a 15-minute chart. We have some strong bullish here. I'm gonna ignore an island just to get it though. But look at this. Let's say we don't have it against the RSI. Oversold at 29.52. It's really not a lot there, right? Again, Bitcoin is driving the market. I told you guys, Bitcoin is the market driver. It's in the driver's seat. It's taking control. If it goes down, everyone else goes down. Look at this. It's starting to go up. Oh, look at this. Ethereum magically recovering, right? I mean, why? Because Bitcoin's moving. Look at... I wouldn't be weird if Cardano started to do something that's similar, right? Look at Cardano. Oh, it's magically recovering. Again, guys, you want to see what's happening with the market, look at Bitcoin. Because it's right now it's the driving force behind what's going on, right? I told you guys. So we got to figure out what's going on. Look at Bitcoin. Let's do Girth. Girth up. I gotta find it here. It's much easier. Girth. There we are. Girth to the dollar. What's it doing, man? On the daily, nothingness. Rejecting 47.26. Okay. The 4 hour. Rejecting that area. We had strong bullish divergence. We had the strong bullish divergence for you, my friend. And then we kind of lost it. We don't have it against RSI. Taking that pump. We don't have anything going here. High, low, positive 59, 59.47, 59.57. So slightly higher. High to low, right? High to low. Nothing there. Rejecting probably this area, right? Resistance that we're looking for. Below 20 right now. Bollinger Bands, more or less expanded. Graph, GRT. That's another one, dude. GRT is GRT. Isn't Graph another project? I'm confused now. I'll look at Graph afterwards. I think I already looked at Graph earlier, so I'm not sure, Bob, if you're asking for GRT or Graph, so let me know. Anyways, that's it. Nothing else here. Neutral at 43.48. Let's go to the 1 hour. What is happening here? High, higher, positive, more positive. High there, set to a hard point. That's fine. Here we created some bearish divergence. What? Yes, it's there. So, alright. So we created bearish divergence. This is interesting. We created bearish divergence near resistance. So we broke above. We created bearish divergence, and that's what's popping us down, right? So, you know, look at this, man. Here. And also here. Right. So here's that bearish divergence. Actually, the downside. We tried to recover it, failed. And we've just been failing since. Now, are we making some bullish divergence? Let's see. 694. 645. Yeah, we are. Low. Lower. Negative. Less negative, right? Just take that small pop. We don't have it against RSI. High, low. Positive is positive. High there's at a lower point. And let's go here. High. Higher high. 147. 137. So still less. So high, higher, and here we're coming lower, right? So there's that bearish divergence fraction to the downside. GRT's Graph, really? I thought Graph was another one, dude, because we already looked at Graph the other day. I have another GRT here to tether. I wonder if this one has more information. Oh, this one we already had charted. Dang it, I have a lot of graphs. Oh yeah, the Graph is GRT. Dang it. Huh. Thanks, Bob. Since I really don't look at this project, I'm not even sure what it will name. I just like had it as Girth. And that's what I called it. Because, you know, you have 1 inch and then you have Girth. So you can have 1 inch. But, you know, Girth sometimes matters more than 1 inch. Who knows? It's two different projects, but they still both make for bad jokes. GRT, right, so the Graph. No lower, negative, less negative. Again, guys, you know, there's so many projects out there that I don't keep up with a lot of them. So, and this one is, I'll be honest, I don't have a lot of, like, I only do it because you guys request it. So it's new from December. I know, dude. I know it's new. It doesn't have any date on the daily. I know. I rarely look at it because there's really not a lot going on with it. So I like this. I like this chart, I guess, because you know this is the one we were using. I think. So no, this one's the one we were using because we even fibbed it. I just have so many charts for graph. 2. Right. So that's it, dude. Low, lower, and negative, less negative, right? So we had that bullish divergence here. Again, just think that it is 4 hour, man. Just so I can have it on this chart. From here to here. And we don't have it here, that's fine. Well, let's go to the 1 hour. This is what we're looking at. So high, higher. I'm gonna go with this one because it has more data on AKX. 14, 14, right? We're going slightly higher, and here we're going sideways. That'll be weak. Bearish divergence. For action to the downside. 55, 57. We don't have it here. Then we're dropping lower. And guess what? We have strong bullish divergence. Very likely. 6-4, 4-5. Yep, definitely, right? So there's that strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside coming in for graph. 1 inch of girth. That's what Boomer got. He got 1 inch. He received the whole 1 inch. And he's still with us. He survived. Yeah. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Low, there, side to lower point. Sold at 32.45. There's a chance this could start try to go higher and maybe get above that 39.99 cent area. Right now at 36.91. Could it still come slightly lower? It could. It's already resting here. So move from here to here might not undo the bearish divergence, right? We're not going to hit anything on the RSI still, though. So I'm just waiting for this really to maybe pump a little bit. Pump a little bit, fail, right? Make the RSI go up and then go slightly lower and then really create that strong bullish divergence. Crypto Boomer! 1 inch is now 0.9 inch. Right. And then Victor saying it's 1 inch of girth around. Dude, this coins. Why were people naming coins this? Adam, please. Sure, we have still Yuma to go, man. And then Adam. Up and Adam. Bob Mo, are you gonna want to do Ave also? Because I know you usually request Ave, so just let me know. I'm here all night. Thanks, bro. I really appreciate it. All you guys that stay here, I really appreciate it, dude. That's awesome. Never in my life I thought I would have a cult following. Let's all drink the punch. I'm kidding, dude. Yes, please. And SNX. Sure, bro. I'll write an SNX as well. Let's go and do girth. That's it, dude. Bullish divergence, right? That's what I'm looking for. You know, look, it's moving down. We're still making less negative momentum, right? Lower on the other side. Sold at 31.32. Won't be worried if this just drops slightly and slowly, and this just goes to oversold. And we still have bullish divergence, and then we try to pump there, right? So just be careful. The move right now will be to 39.99, and we could even hit the 20 at 39.91. So that's it. Let's go check out Yuma. Here we go, Yuma. Right, Yuma's looking a little bit flat. So yeah. Below 20, rejecting 1, 2, 3 times, not looking good. Holding support at 7.46, so that's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there, hard point. Neutral at 46.44. Let's go to the 4 hour. Victor Miller, as long as it's not Johnstown Kool-Aid, I'm down. I'm drinking, my punch is whiskey and club soda. That's what I'm drinking, so if you want to join me, that's fine. I'm trying to determine whether or not I should, like, this very, very tiny positive momentum right here, right? It's just one bar. I'm trying to determine whether or not I should use it. And if I can use it, then it will be going low, lower, right? Negative, more negative. Low on the other side to a lower low, right? And thus create some, oh, sorry, never mind. That don't work. What the fuck am I talking about? Dot made a nice push today. That's awesome. Well, look at Dot, dude. By the way, what I just called, ignore. Because I don't know what the fuck I was drawing, dude. That doesn't apply by any means. Not from there. Because everything's going lower, dude. When I drew it, I noticed that I was, like, messing up. Look, what I'm looking at is here. Well, I want to see this go slightly lower, right? And then go from negative to less negative. And ignore this freaking island. That's what I wanted to do. And then go low to slightly higher, maybe still. Right? And have that strong bullish divergence. I'm not sure we're going to get it, though. And I was like, ignore the first lines because they were, like, just freaking weird. Dude, when I was doing it, I was like, why the hell am I drawing all down-sloping lines? That means nothing, dude. For else. Anyways, lately, it's vodka and pineapple juice here. Wow, that's cool. I don't do a lot of vodka. I do vodka sometimes. You know what's good with vodka? Get raspberry flavored vodka from Absolute, or mango flavored vodka with Absolute, from Absolute, and mix it in with like some nasty iced tea, dude. That thing is like, doesn't taste anything like vodka. It'll taste like raspberry iced tea or like mango iced tea. Yeah, dude. It makes them pennies drop like crazy, dude. It's crazy. I haven't been drinking that. I haven't drank that in a long time, dude. It's really tasty. It doesn't taste like vodka, but if you like iced tea, dude, just get that iced tea, mix it in, and it's for sure it's a penny dropper, dude. You'll like get wasted, and you'll have no idea how much you drank because it hides the whole alcohol taste. It just tastes like raspberry iced tea, dude, and like mango iced tea, and it's just crazy. Anyways, there's really nothing happening here in Yuma on the 4-hour yet, so let's go to the 1 hour, dude. Low, lower, negative, less negative, low, and there's at the lower point. We created some bearish divergence here. Low to high. High to low. Low to high. So nothing here on the other side. Just against the MACD. Strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. We're breaking down with that. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side, lower point. Sold! At 35.28. That's it, dude, for Yuma. Atom. Let's check out the Atom. Here is the Atom, also known as Ray Palmer. This is a coin that got requested today. It's really not a lot going on with that. Let's go over here. Just messing around, dude. Making it more fun. Thank you for being here and sticking around. If you haven't hit that like, hit it. Hit that like. I dare you to not hit it. No, I dare you to hit it. I dare you to hit it. Yeah, hit the like. Anyways, that's it for Yuma. Let's go to Atom, dude. Where's the Atom? Atom, here it is, dude. What's happening with Atom on the daily? Bullish divergence, pumping up. Great, dude. You know, we still managed to pump up, right? We failed to drop lower than the previous low, so that's continuation to that very nice rally. $5.41. I actually managed to hit a high of $5.55. High low, positive was positive, high on there, set to lower low. We're starting to make this new positive momentum island. I like this. Let's see where we're at with relation with the 200 moving average. We're above it. Dude, this is good. Like, I'm tempted. Yesterday is when we got the cross, right? So today might be a good day to get into Atom. If you don't know what the MACD strategy is, I suggest you go read up on it. But It'd basically be telling you to get in right now and ride this to the upside. Again, I do believe it's going to heavily depend on Bitcoin, right? So that's the main thing with crypto. It's all Bitcoin dependent mainly. High to low, possible is positive. Oh, high on the RSI. To lower point, there's nothing bearish. It can still run more. And what I'm looking at is, you know, we are getting across the MACD over the signal line, under the zero line of the MACD. We're above the 200 simple moving average, so it could be a good end. Time will tell. Write it here just so I know we talked about it. This candle here. I'll leave it there. That way we know. We've talked about it. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Neutral at 52.41 on the RSI. Low, lower. Yeah, we had that bullish divergence. Great stuff. Let's go here, man. You know, we had also this falling wedge that we were talking about. I can't remember when we looked at this last. We had the bearish divergence. We had the falling wedge. Broke it to the upside. When did we last look at Atom? I can't remember, but, you know, it is pumping on that. So it's fine. Low, high. Where are we at here? 531. 6, so high, higher, positive, more positive. Bought at 60.40. Really nothing bearish right now. Rejecting that $5.41 mark. Not good. A week or so? Nah, because we have this falling wedge, dude. This was on the 27th, so maybe here we call it on the 26th? 26th, maybe? Yeah, it wasn't that long ago. Let's go to 1 hour chart. Right, look. We broke slightly below, we reversed and pumped. And then you set a support, right? Look at this. Beautiful. Hit support here. And just burst through, man. It's awesome, dude. And same thing, right? Now we do have it from one island to the next, but, you know, the strong bullish divergence. I'll just draw it again, but that's what's coming into play here, man. Look at that. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. Strong bullish, pumped up, hit that 236. Rejected, right? And then we're really trying to go up. And we're heading for that, for 382, right? Up here at $5.71. So it's very, very nice, dude. I like this. Now we're coming down, hitting the 20, right? On bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. It's okay. Look, we held resistance here at 541. And then we really just burst through it. But again, came down to 20 on strong bearish divergence. Like I said, it's okay. Nothing wrong with this. It's healthy. Now we're starting to create a hidden bullish. I want to use this island from here to here. Negative, more negative. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. There's a chance that we could start to move up slightly. But mostly, all my days run together now. Yeah, it usually happens when you stay up looking at crypto. They kind of blur and blend, and it's weird, but it's fun. Neutral at 53.80. Let's go check out something else. Ave. By the way, Apostolic cover Ethereum is no longer trading, dude. So it's done. I think you had. I'm not sure if you're still here, Apostolic, but you asked me to cover it a while back, so I think it's no longer there. Anyways, let's go back to Aave. Bearish divergence. We move down, hit the 20, took a pop. Awesome. That's a 1 hour though. Let's go to the daily. Right, we're still on this area of support resistance. We broke out of it, hit the 20, rejected. You know that was a target. We had this bullish divergence still, right? And that's it, dude. Hidden bullish. Took a pop. hit the 20, hit the 20 again, and hit the 20 and reject it. It's really not a lot. Neutral, 48.83. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had the bullish divergence for the action to the upside. It's just been running up since. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Neutral, 47.44. Right now, it's $78.20. Cover Ethereum is done. Yes, I noticed that. Yeah, dude. And then Bob Moss says, hacked. What got hacked? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, so we had the bearish divergence, right? That's the last thing we called here. So, hitting bearish, we moved down on that. Target was a 20. We hit it beautifully. Took it a pop. Time to go higher. Coming down close to 20. Not quite there. Taking another pop. So, are we doing something here? Let's see. 568. 603. A little high, right? So, a little high. Positive, more positive. High on the other side to a higher point there. I don't see anything bearish here. Not even from the previous island. That would be this one here. Or even from back here. So, breaking down. I'm not sure why we're breaking down right now. We could be getting some, like, you know, Bitcoin moving us down. That could be the only thing I could attribute this to. But we have some hidden bullish developing against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI, right? I'm not sure why we moved down here, man. Maybe the shorter time scales. The half hour might have some clues for us to check out. Yeah, look at the half hour. It created some bearish divergence there, right? So when in doubt, I rarely go to the half hour, right? Or the 15-minute. When in doubt, go to shorter time scales. You'll find answers there, right? So we had bearish divergence strong, and that's when we started to break down, right? Just because we don't see it on the 1 hour chart doesn't mean it's not happening somewhere else. And just short term here. Some strong bullish divergence, right? Back on the neutral zone of support resistance. We don't have it against RSI. Sold at 33.71 on the 30-minute.
That's it for Ave.
What was it? What was it that place that Superman sent its foes to? Sorry, guys. Music was super loud on my end. Super loud on my end, and probably that's why it was sounding super loud on the stream as well. Yep. But what was, like, that place where, like, do y'all remember the old Superman movies with, like, General Zod and the other two guys that were with him? And he, like, used to, like, grab this, like, plastic film wrap and throw it at them. And then they got sent, the Phantom Zone, that's where it's at, right? The Phantom Zone. Apostolic Mind, I wonder if Bitcoin is heading to the 24K area soon. It looks like the 1 hour chart and even on the 4 hour chart. I'll look at Bitcoin again. Worry not about that. We'll go back and test and check it out before I move on to the next coin. Bitcoin, 26,300. Yes, we're trying to hold on support here, man. All right, we talked about that. So it'll depend. Next area of support will be very likely around 25 or 24,900. But it looks like we really want to hold on support. So it's 10:24. We've been live for an hour and 13 minutes. I'll try my best to stay here until 11, and we'll see where the candle closes. Let's go check out SNX. On the daily, right, we had a trend line that we're looking at probably on the 4 hour. We're breaking it, not good looking right now, right? We don't have anything here that is bearish, right? We're going higher, more positive, higher on our side right now. We're overbought. Come back to the bought area at 66.07. There's really nothing here. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. On the 4 hour chart, we had bearish divergence, right? That's the last thing we called on the 26th. Action to the downside. We moved down, hit the 20 as a target. So you can tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hits, and then on the 7th one we broke it, right? Oh no, we broke it. And then we're moving down that. And if I drag this on longer, it'll very likely have become a resistance. Alright, there we go. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then resistance. 1, 2. Breaking below 20 also. So we had the bearish divergence. We knew we were very likely going to move down on that, and we are. Now we do have some strong bullish on the 4 hour. A little high. Negative, more negative, and low to lower on the RSI. So there's a chance we might try to hold on to some support here and try to go up. Sitting at $7.52. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, so look, support, right? And then we broke it, and then resistance a couple times. So we had this bullish divergence here, right? It wasn't that strong of a bullish divergence. It was hidden. We took a pop, hit the 20, and rejected. So that's one. Then that tracks something there, right? Because, you know, it's hidden divergence, and you can keep on dropping. We'll still have it. Guess what? We took a pop, hit the 20, and we're really failing to take off from that 20. So not looking too strong. Move that back down support, try to pump again. And are we doing something here in short term? 28th, 36, low high. We don't have anything bearish, man. It's just not strong at all, right? After that pop, I was just like failing to go higher. And then here it goes higher, but not looking too strong. Maybe the half hour has some clues also as to why this is happening here on that move. Go with this one here. And yeah, look, it's bearish divergence. Hello, bearish divergence, my old friend. Bearish divergence, my old friend. You're playing us to the downside. What an A. Anyways, right, that's the hit here. And then we're moving down on that. Slow, lower, right? Some strong bullish divergence. Negative, less negative. I'm going to ignore this small island here. The potential for action to the upside. We don't have it against RSI. Sold at 37.41. That's it, dude. Andrew, about to have a snowstorm where you live. Wow, some people are saying a foot. For us, you're stoked. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, I have the same question. Where do you live at, Andrew? At least you're getting more than Boomer. He only got an inch. It was a powerful inch, though. It was a $2,000 worth inch. Iowa. Wasn't there a song from Afroman where he mentioned Iowa? And then how he owed her? Because he did something on credit? Andrew says, watch us get 3 inches. It's always depressing. Well, what do you want a foot of snow for, man? Like, it just means you gotta wake up tomorrow and shovel stuff out of your driveway. Because I got high. I know, Bob. You got the reference. And then he said Hawkeye. Yeah. Kudos to you, Bob, for getting that reference. Awesome stuff. There's another quest that I'm missing. What was it? I'm missing a request. Moral day, mortal day. Yeah. Did someone was it DST? Did someone request DST or something like that? Because I just wrote it really crappy because it was towards the end of the page, so I cannot read it properly. Or dot. No, it was dot. Sorry, man. That's it. Dot. I remember now. I remember. Pepperidge Farms remembers. Right, we never done dot, I think, so we'll go with this one, dude. Tether. 100 messages? That's a record? No, we've got 100 messages before. We've gotten 100 messages plenty of times. It just always gives me that when, you know, we get 100 messages. I never gotten to 200 messages, so I don't know what happens there. Dot. Right on dot at $6.39. Right. Strong bearish divergence against RSI. That's the only thing I'm going to call here on the daily because I'm not seeing a lot. We already did this dot a while back. Maybe I accidentally closed it because we have fibs for it, so it just seems fit that we at some point in time did this. It's the only reason I find behind it. Let's find out. Awesome. Chat, get hyping because we need to see what happens at 200 messages, and we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're 94 messages away from it. That's a lot of messages. Probably gonna tell me like, "Congrats, you got to 200 messages." Great. Right. So moving down, right, slightly right now with a massive, massive pump at 28.23%. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We're not gonna find anything here. We're probably not gonna find anything on the 1 hour because we're just massively going up. So higher, possible, more possible, high there, such a hard point. You know. Bought at 69.19. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. It's probably not gonna have anything. Wow. So we're really gonna go there, man. Dot ADA. Dot ADA. Dot 1. Dad. I'm not your dad, Steve. Kick. No spam. 1. Or the bot blocks you. Yeah, Andrew. Be careful, man, because you don't have admin, so you might get blocked by the bot. 8 people watching, but only 6 thumbs. Let's see the thumbs. Yeah, I know, dude, right? That's what I think about it every night. I go to sleep and I say, how many people are watching? And then just very few people actually hit the thumb up. You got daddy issues. What? Daddy wasn't there to take me to the fair. Wasn't that like Austin Powers? He's Fasha. What is the airdrop radar? I'm not sure. Sir Airdrops a lot hasn't said there's anything on the airdrop radar. Daddy. That was an 88. Mistype. Because Daddy wasn't there to take you to the fair. Right, we did find something here. We have bearish divergence. Strong. I was doubtful that we're going to get something. I'm glad we found it, because, you know, that kind of explains the movement down. Alright, look at this. High low, and then also here high low, right? Awesome. Strong bearish divergence. I should do the downside. Thumb on the way. You got a couple creepers. They definitely don't talk either. Yeah, I know. It's fine. Here's an app to earn Litecoin, and once there's a good one on the radar, I will buy in. Alright, what app are you using to earn Litecoin? Anyways, bearish divergence moving down, heading for the 20. I'll be right back. Gotta get some something else to drink, and I'll be right back. Thank you. Stick around, I'll be back. The eye is back. So what's happening, dude? Nice. How much have you earned? I do a lot of phone farm apps. I earn $2 to $5 per week. Not a lot, but it's free. Bob, MNL on the alien. What? What is MNL? Sorry, guys. What's MNL on the alien, dude? Victor, send those apps on. Put them on the Discord somewhere, so like if someone wants to check them out, they can try to earn some free crypto, I guess. Yeah, I got some. I have one of their apps, or two of their apps. I used to have their Bitcoin app, but their payouts were horrible. Or they became horrible after a while. And they had a Litecoin drop one, and it became horrible too, man. So, you know, I know Jake only claims on free Bitcoin. Or he says that's the best faucet out there. So I know that's also the best faucet out there because I claim there also. Not every day. Sometimes I forget, but yeah, you know, it's there. Ethereum trying to pump. Let's go check it out because we're done with DOT. Yeah, it's trying to get above that 705, right? But it's rejecting. Oh no, the shame of the rejection. Right now, it's sitting right on it, right? 705.36. Let's see if it manages to burst through. That means that Bitcoin's also pumping. Look at that. Oh my God, it's gone green. It's above 26,406. Right? Again, they're not doing their own thing, dude. It's Bitcoin's like, you know, leading the way. So let's just keep on rolling with Bitcoin, I guess, and Ethereum. By the way, just out of curiosity, how many exchanges are actually going to drop XRP? You're gonna ask, why do you gotta like Google US to like before you go onto something? Because I'm in Mexico. Otherwise, it just takes me to the Spanish news regarding XRP, and I really don't want to look at the Spanish news regarding XRP. So I gotta go to like the US site for Google first, and then check it out. So XRP trading data. Wow, it's trending again. Coinbase does suspend. What are we looking at? Coinbase halts. Coinbase suspends. XRP loses support as Z files. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit older one. 8 hours. Coinbase also suspend. I'm trying to find other exchanges. It's not there, man. XRP is a crypto asset in Japan, not a security. Repo partner SBI claims. Doesn't matter what SBI claims. What's going to matter is what the U.S. says about XRP in its country. Right. So, yeah, they're trying to come out to help, right? Because, you know, they're going to get a lot of pain if like, XRPs declare that. Forget Bitcoin. These cryptocurrencies are surging even more. This is 3 weeks ago. They're talking about like it pumping 25%. Oh, Crypto Asset Manager, 21 shares, removes XRP from its ETP. That's interesting. That's 18 hours ago. Right, that's what I want to get to. There's the juicy stuff. Victor Miller, I dropped a screenshot on the Discord. Awesome. Wow, you got a lot of... Alright, free Bitcoin Cash I used before. Free Litecoin, I use that. That's also from Aliens. Pi, I don't know. B, I don't know. Crypto Tab Browser. Wow, that's interesting. Chart.io. Is Crypto Tab Browser like... is that similar to Brave? Because I use Brave, so... B.com. Crypto Tab Browser again. You have two Crypto Tab browsers. A pro version and a free version, I guess. Interesting. Interesting, Victor. Pi and B are projects. Alright. Check them out. See what they do. See what they give me for free. Oh, we haven't done DVT, man. Let's do DVT and RSR, because why not? Sitting at 2 sats. Again, look at that massive pump. What? Don't you hate yourself for not getting into DVT at 2 sats? And then he went to 2.3 sats, and you could have sold even at 2.2 and earned a sizable chunk of dough. 10%. Like that. Like none other, man, and still heavily supported at 2.0. At 2 sats. Anyways, let's get some indicators out here. Let's get the MACD and the RSI. MACD. RSI. We have... Yeah. You guys already know why I do this, right? You're all the regulars, so... but I'll disclose it again because, you know, I hold a massive amount of DBT. And I've been doing it prior to becoming part of the marketing DAO. Again, I'm not chilling the project, I'm not pushing it. The only reason I do the analysis is because I have a massive position on the project and I really care for my DAO that I have here. So that's the reason I'm doing this. So here we're going sideways, we're opening up and we're coming in right. So medium bullish divergence, right? From here to here. And here to here, right? So there's medium bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. We took that nice pop. High to low, positive is positive, high to low. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, high to low, positive, more positive, right? Some hidden bearish. Some hidden bearish divergence. Ha ha ha. You'll never catch me. We also have it against the RSI, right? Actually, the downside. We get down. That's fine. Again, to support at 2.0. There's a massive position probably here. No, there isn't. There's a massive sell wall now. There. Wow. I said, let's go to the daily, man.
Dude, is gonna like pump someday. It's gonna make a lot of people rich, filthy rich. Yeah, I'm like I've always wanted to ask why these candles all look different than average candles. But you're all the exact same size. What determines the movement?
Oh, that's easy, dude. This is worth 2 sats.
So they in this exchange they give you like the fraction of a satoshi,
just so you can have a little bit more trade movement. So when you see here is like 8 decimal places, and then you have your 2, and then you have on your 9th the 0. So that with your fraction. And the reason that the candles look so different, if you look at it, it looks different on the 1 hour, right? Because the movements are so sharp. Like from here it's 0.18 to here is 0.19. So like 1.9, 1.8 to 1.9. So the movement is so sharp that's how it looks like this, right? Once you go to the daily and there's a little bit more movement there, the candles do look a little bit more like regular candles, right? So because the project has very little market cap, is the reason that we get this moves. Anyways, we have some bearish divergence here, right? Hidden bearish, and the MACD, and the RSI, and it's probably what moved us down, and it's getting us to stagnate around this area still. That hidden bearish is being a party pooper. Anyways, that I hope that answers your question, right? We see a lot of projects that are like
low cap projects.
I'll show you on another project here, Holo. Holo's a project that is also worth very little. So on the 1 hour, it tended to look a lot choppier before. To the USD. Have I done Holo to something else? I think it's the only one. Oh. But before also Holo used to look very choppy because the moves are very sharp, right? Again, these in fractions of a cent, so you go from 4742 cents to 4783, right? It's like an 8.82% move. But Holo used to look a lot choppier before. Maybe on the daily. On the daily, Holo looks or used to look choppier, I think. Or one of the Holo charts looked very choppy, and I hated it because it wasn't so good. But when you find low cap projects, you tend to have these charts that look very, very choppy, dude. I can go here. There's other low cap projects like this one. It's just stuck at like 0.1 sats, so it just flatlined for a long time. Here it took a massive pump to 0.388 sats back on November the 4th, but then it dumped since. So if you find like low cap projects like Auto, this one I guess like 0.8, the movements look very choppy because the movements are not that pronounced, but we get these like blocky moves, right? That don't look pretty at all. I did against Bitcoin Cash, by the way. Let's go here. Like this one could look a little bit choppier. Look at this, right? It looks very blocky. Not a lot of action, but very, very blocky nonetheless. Right? Because it's just the moves. Although they're small,
they just look like that on the chart, right? So it looks very choppy. It happens with low cap projects. It also happens with very, very cheap stocks. If you look at very cheap stocks and they have like short moves, it tends to look very, very blocky. And it's not, I don't like it for charting. It makes charting so much difficult. Let's go back to DDT, by the way, at 2 sats. Awesome. Preserving its value. Let's go check out RSR. Let's play a game. Someone's gonna get 10 points. If someone can tell me what this movie is from, you're gonna get 5 points. First person to say it gets 5 points. Two guys with guns, and one of them says, "And shepherds we shall be." Go. Absolute Mind, do you ever make live trades while I'm on the live stream, or do you only go over potentials? That's a tricky question. I've done live trades when I'm live streaming, but I do them off the camera, right? So I do them off the side. I have 2 screens. I have my screen here, which is the one I'm usually looking at when I do the charts, and I have my other screen here. When I take trades, Pulp Fiction, no, that's a different one. It says what? And shepherds we shall be. Brokeback Mountain, no, dude, it's 2 dudes with guns. That wasn't like the right movie at all. It's a cult classic, man. It's 2 brothers who are Irish, and they're in New York, and they're killing Russian mobsters and Italian mobsters. And they say a prayer before they actually shoot them on the back of the head. Or before they shoot them in general. Do I ever make light trades? Yeah, sometimes I do. I just do them off the stream. Reason is, it's not financial advice. Boondock, yeah! Bob Mo got it. The Boondock Saints. Yeah, dude. 5 points to Bob. The reason I don't do them on the air is because I don't want it to be taken as financial advice. And if I start making movements on the air, the second one didn't happen. Yeah, the second one did happen. It was just really bad. I'm guessing that's what you're saying. The second one didn't happen. He only said part of it. I know. I only said part of it. Oh yeah, he only said Boondock. Boomer is challenging the ruling, and I like it. So. How is it in Bruges? No, I never seen. I don't think I've seen in Bruges. Isn't that with like Colin Farrell? I don't think I've seen it. I think maybe I've seen part of it. I'm not sure. Yeah. I'll Bob. I'm gonna have to overrule it and give it to Boomer, because he actually wrote it completely. Apostolic, I got a buy order waiting on Ethereum up at 44.44, yeah. Had XRP there? Yeah, I know. I'm glad you corrected. I didn't want to say anything in case someone noticed. Yeah, dude, the reason I don't take live trades is because it could be interpreted as I'm trying to influence the market. I know I don't have many people following. That's fine. But I've seen it happen with other guys that have their own stocks trading, etc. They have a lot of people. They have their private rooms, and all of a sudden they're in the live stream, and they say I'm gonna buy a certain stock, and all of a sudden you see a stock pump because everyone that's with him, even though they say don't follow my trades, don't do what I do, it's not financial advice. As soon as you take a live trade, you influence people, and then those people like go in, they buy, or they all follow the same trade. That guy pumps it up. Then he exits, and then you see everyone else in this chat room exiting at the same time, and then they crash the stock. But, you know, he already made profit on all his followers. So I don't like that. I don't want to do that. And that's part of the reason that I don't take trades live. I talk about my trades sometimes. I tell you when I'm going to go in, where I'm going to go out. It hasn't happened lately. I talked about that on Bitcoin when it was like around the 9,000 area, and then around the 7,000, 8,000 areas. I talked about that. But I don't want it to be taken as though I'm giving financial advice. Therefore, I'm not taking trades live. Right. But I'm also saying he types in shorthand. He's like Matt Money. Yeah. you were in a group where a guy who was running it was front running big time. Yeah, I think it's like if it lends itself to market manipulation, that's like, you know, it's like stuff I don't want to deal with, right? Because you see these guys pumping like penny stocks. Well, not necessarily penny stocks, but like, you know, anything below $10 you could consider a penny stock. But you see these guys trading penny stocks, and you see them buying like huge positions where they pump the asset, and everyone else in the stream just starts following, right? And they exit at the top or whenever they consider the top, and then you see all the followers scrambling to exit, and all of a sudden the market just drops. And I do believe he ends up hurting a lot of followers. I mean, he does disclaim to not follow his trade, but everyone that's watching is just following what he does because they're all trying to make the same profits that he's making. I really don't like it doing it live. I just, you know, y'all do your own thing. That's how it rolls, right? Like the other day, the market was moving, and I wanted to get off an XRP position, and I had it here, and I was showing you guys how I couldn't load Bitso, and I even brought my Bitso window over here to the side, and it was just like it didn't load, it was stuck, so I couldn't get out of my position. And I was trading as I was live. So yeah, it was a massive move by XRP. It was when it pumped to like 76 cents. I couldn't get in, I couldn't exit at the top, and then I just waited. But yeah, I rarely take positions live. Stock Mine sent Ethereum up, so we'll let you get Ethereum live, and then I'll think of another movie to quote. This one's gonna be an old one. I hope you got. I'm not sure how old you guys are, but it's gonna be an old movie. Just give me a second. Let me find Ethereum up first. Didn't we look at Ethereum up already today? Oh, here it is. No, Tesla's up. Why? Why is it not here, dude? I thought we already looked at it. Look. Ah, damn it, dude. We're gonna do RSR. Yeah, we had bearish divergence moving down. So you said it's pumping back up on the 1 hour. Yeah. You know, his group to buy, and then he basically played off it like it was market makers trying to dump the price. Yeah, I know, dude. This is what happens. I don't want to be part of that. I do have ethics. That's why I come in and talk about the market potentials and where it could go on what you guys want me to look at. But yeah, I'd rather do my own thing. Look, we pumped up again to 48.65, right? We called it our resistance. Potential support, we broke it. You know, became resistance. We're rejecting it. I was gonna do RSR. I'll try to quote this the best I can. This guy stands up and says, "All we are is dust in the wind, dudes." And then he grabs like a pile of sand and he goes, "Dust, wind, dude." That's a good movie. If you know the reference, 5 points, dude. Boom already got 5. Let's see who gets the next 5. Meanwhile, I'll do RSR. Alright, RSR got to the 2 cent mark, dropping to the 1.8 cent mark. It's not super happy with that. Again, hidden bullish, so there's something there. I don't think there's going to be any takers on that one. I don't see anyone typing. Y'all probably Googling it. If you Google it, it doesn't count. A lot of high, positive, more positive, high, and there's a higher point. Nothing here, right? We have hidden bullish. Let's see if we hold on. Let's go to the 4 hour. Start in reverse. We start in 1 hour. Spicoli? No, dude. We're looking for some bearish divergence. We didn't get it. We dropped lower, so that's fine. Now we're going higher here. These all one island, right? So we just got rid of this. Going higher, more positive, higher on our side, dropping slightly. On that, let's go to the daily. Really? No one can get that one? Like, dudes. Dust. Dust, wind. Dude. Bill and Ted, you got it, bro. Bob Mo for 5 points, man. You Googled it, you wouldn't have known, but most people might would. Keanu, yeah, dude. Most excellent adventure, man. Yeah, it's current. It's back up. How do we say it, dude? It's back up on pop culture because they just had the new movie released, right? It already came out. Buff, I hate to tell you, it's already out. You can already play it on anywhere. No, I didn't say you can Google it. I said you can Google the new movie. It's already out. It's pumping down right now. We don't have anything. Low, high, low, positive, high. There's a lower point. Nothing there. Let's go back to Bitcoin and see what's doing, dude, on the 1 hour. Let's hold on to some support here. It looks like it. Now we're basically back below it. For real? Yeah, it's already out, dude. Bill and Ted Face the Music. It's good. I liked it. It's fun. Talked about it a couple streams ago when it came out, actually, or a couple days after it came out. That's good, bro. I'm not. No one's saying you Googled the answer. You don't have to wait for your real film to come to mail. No, dude, it's already downloadable. Chat super laggy. Gonna have to watch that one. Yeah, dude. Bill and Ted Face the Music is good. If you watch Bill and Ted 1 and 2, then you're probably gonna like the third one. Think of another one. I'm trying to think of like semi-obscure films that might not be easily guessed, I guess. There's a 2? Yeah. Bill and Ted Excellent Adventure, Bill and Ted Bogus Journey, and Bill and Ted Face the Music, dude. That's the third one. There's 3. One, two, three. Uno, dos, tres. Un, deux, trois. Eins, tres, tres. No, what is it? In Roman, I'll even say in Roman. I, right? See, I even count in Roman numerals, man. Yeah, I'm just having fun right now because I've already finished everything we looked at. We haven't looked at markets. I guess we'll look at markets, and we'll keep on like making time for. Excellent. Most excellent. Non-triumphant, dude. Alright, let's do markets, because we haven't done markets. We haven't looked at gold and silver in a while, so let's do those. What's happening with gold on the daily? Oh, dude, we did. Why do I have lines for Bitcoin? There we go. Right, so bearish divergence, moving down, failing to go higher. Not doing a lot on gold. Neutral at 5.12 on the RSI. Silver at 26.25. Again, slightly higher, coming in lower. Bearish divergence for silver. Potential action to the downside. Right. Bought at 64.48 on the RSI. Dow Jones gaining 200 points. What? Slightly higher. Still coming to zero and still coming lower. So there's still bearish divergence in play. Dow Live gaining 150 points again. Yes, still there, and still over there, man. S&P, 32 points. Higher, lower. It wouldn't be weird if we see Toronto doing the same thing. London down 22 points. Bearish divergence. When did we look at London last? Oh, not too long ago. Nikkei. Hitting bullish, taking a pop. Nice. Lower end of is high, so it's all good. Then Toronto, right? Oh, it's actually lower. That's a surprise. I was going to be as high as the other ones. High low, positive, high there to the lower point, that's it. West Texas at $47.70. Still on bearish divergence. Move down, hit the 20, try to bounce, but failing to go higher. Brent oil, same move. It went to the 20 on bearish divergence. Trying to take a bounce. Low, high, negative, less negative, low there, hit the higher point. Nothing there, man. That's it. Let's go back to Bitcoin because I had something here that's showing up here that shouldn't be here, but it is. This from the 1 hour probably. 15-minute chart. Victor, my cousin, just got back from Vegas. Said silver was selling barely of a spot. Yeah, probably, dude. Silver's not doing so hot right now. Still have 7 people watching and only 6 likes. That's crazy. I'm not sure who's still watching. Is Steve still with us? He usually goes to sleep around this time. Boomer decided to check my stonks. Yeah, it's a good thing to check them out every now and then. What other movie, man? I'm trying to think of another movie to quote. I just have so many in my head. Oh, I know this one. If you get this movie, your MicroStrategy is holding up. Went up nicely today. Yeah, a couple of those crypto ones went up today. Mara went up and Riot went up. Dude, I was looking at another stock earlier today. I had it on Trade Zero, but not here. But ACY. This one, dude, I'm so freaking pissed I didn't get in. It just got halted so many times today. You got a lot of pullback towards the end, but look at this in the 1 minute chart. Since it opened, look at this, man. It opened here at like $5, and it went all the way up to like $38, and it got stopped for a while. Like you can see here, it says 10:04, and then it opened back and it resumed trading at 1:56. So it was closed for a couple hours, and then it was just like really crashed there, right? Anyways, you want to buy a Palladium Eagle? You love that coin. Gotta run by. Thanks, Andrew, for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'm not sure which one's a Palladium Eagle, so we'll check it out. By the way, next movie, $15, little man. Put that in my hand. If that money doesn't show, that you owe me. Guess that one, dude. Dudes, guess that's a good movie. If you guess the other two, you probably know this one. Right now it's between Boomer and Bob, and they both. You're still in lurking. That's awesome. Images. It looks pretty legit. How much is this coin? Yeah, Boomer, but that's not the name of the movie. You're close. It's not that expensive, dude. It says $25. Well, I'm not sure. James, that's still not the same. That's not the full name of the movie, dude. It has a name, and its name is Rob Paulson. That's the second one. It has a name, and its name is Rob Paulson. If you get the both of them, okay. So Boomer got the first one. 5 more points. In death, everyone has a name, and his name is Robert Paulson. Guess that one. Victor Miller, 3,500. Wow, that's an expensive coin. Fuck that. I no longer want it. I no longer want it. I have some Morgan dollars. Wrong, dude. I have a couple of these ones. They're really old. They're like over 100 years old. Most of them. All of them, actually. They're silver, though. They're cool. I have also Walking Liberties from the 20s. Fight Club! Yes, dude! Buff Mo, +5. Dude, Buff Mo already took it, dude. He's at 15 points. I need to figure out a way to come with trivia night. Anyways, this is the Walking Liberty from 1647. I like this one. Palladium is $2,394 per ounce. That's cool. I like the Walking Liberty dollars. They're pretty cool. I use them for magic though, so go figure, right? They're really bitten. I got them for cheap, and they're legit. But yeah, 150,000 silver dollar. What? Why is this one so expensive? I gotta check mine out now. Why are some of these so expensive? I'm gonna have to check my Walking Liberties. They seem to have gone up in price a lot. $3,000. $150,000. I'm gonna have to check my Walking Liberties, dude. Yeah, I have 8 of them. So I'm gonna have to check out because I use them for magic, but they're not that bitten. I need to check out the ones I have and see what condition they're in and see which ones are the ones that are worth the most. I might have 1 or 2, maybe. I'm not sure. Hopefully, I'm lucky enough. Imagine if I have $150,000 Walking Liberty. That I'm gonna buy like a shitload of Bitcoin, man. Yeah. Boomer must have been making a drink. There's some Bitcoin. Yeah, for sure, man. We should also become a numismatic show and talk about coins. I like coins. Bob Mo, Martin, do you happen to like your own stream when you sign on? You should also have any friends or family sign on, even for a second, just to give it a like for the algorithm. Yo, Bob, I don't usually like my own streams, because I cannot see them when I sign on. I'm not monitor. I used to monitor myself, but this is all I see, right? So I actually have to go and look at the video. So I would have to like go here, share, copy, go here, paste. You're probably gonna get echo for a second, but I'll mute it real quick, I guess. It's not showing me the stream, the madness. There we go. And I'll like myself. 7, 8 likes. Yeah. I rarely go in and like my own streams, dude. And then, you know, 1 second doesn't do much. You have to actually get views. Because also watch time comes into play. Victor Miller says he loves coins. We need to call it a night. Oh, you need to call it a night? Oh, it sucks, dude. Boomer, Bitcoin dumping a little more. Ethereum not really. That's missing like I thought. Yeah, I'm not watching myself, though. It's only from the stream platform, so it doesn't count. Bitcoin mildly casting down like an avalanche. Cascading down like an avalanche. Yeah, it is dropping the support, right? Again, 25, 24 will be targets. Sucks that we're not going to get to 30,000 a year Bitcoin. I'm not worried again. We're still consolidating. Look at this. We're still in this area, right? That like we had a low here. We had a low here. So we're near that low at 26,173. So I'm not worried for Bitcoin yet. If we get to this level, maybe I start to get a bit worried. If we drop this level, for sure, I start to get worried. But right now, it's consolidating. Look at the daily, right? Like, we impulsed up. We're barely engulfing the previous day. Don't like that, but, you know. After that impulse up, we're starting to consolidate. I'm not looking too bad right now. I don't want to be overly bearish with this. And if you want to look at this as a flag, guess what? We can. We can look at this as a flag, man. I'll show you right now. Starting to look like a falling wedge. Falling wedges tend to break to the upside. I'll buy Bitcoin around 25,000 if it fills that gap on the CME. Well, let's look at the gap on the CME, dude. And then Apostolic, walk onto an Apple or Windows Store. One by one, go to every device. and go to YouTube, go to video, and turn the volume down, pressing play. Go through all the devices and let them watch hours. That'd actually be really cool. That'll be interesting. Sure, if you want to do that for me, I'll be freaking glad, man. Anyways, you were talking about likes. To like, you have to be signed on to an account. And watch time matters, right? It tells me at the end of the stream how many hours of watch time I've gotten. And that is very, very important. Do this for my YouTube sometimes. That's awesome, Apostolic. You must be getting a lot of views, bro. Look, for reals, when you go into analytics, it'll tell me everything, right? So if I go here, let's say for this one, I think this is yesterday's. This is yesterday's stuff, so analytics, right? It'll tell me, your video has gotten 3 views since it was published. So that means 3 people watch it post going live. So it says watch time is 0 hours. That sucks. Probably it's not fully uploaded, but it tells me here like the spikes I've gotten on chat messages and concurrent viewers. So I got like up to 9 viewers yesterday. Since this was not so up to date, I'll go to another one. Let's go to this one, I guess. Let's find one that has like this one, 108. I'm not sure how this one's gonna look, but let's go analytics, dude. Tell me 60 views, watch time in hours, 0.9. So like almost 1 hour each person that likes, plus 2 subs. And then chat messages 212. That's good. How many viewers were in your live stream? 12. Give me like a lot of key moments from audience retention. See, at the beginning it's a lot, and then it just chops through. So I like to pick up audience retention. This means people are skipping through the stream, probably to find stuff they want to watch. So I really need to like get this fixed, I guess. And then it'll give me like how much reach I had, right? Like 670 people have seen it for 11.27 hours of watch time. Engagement, like almost an hour per person, which is pretty good. And then audience, it'll give me like demographics, right? Unique viewers, 93. It's going down since 2 days ago, right? Or the 25th. Average views, 1.2. Subscriber, plus 2. Yay! And then it'll give me all demographics, right? It's interesting. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see how things go. I don't mind it. I'm still picking up people, viewers, every day or every other day or something like that. So, you know, I'm happy with it, right? We're usually picking up like 1 or 2 every 1 or every 2 days. So the channel's growing. And not a super fast rate, but it's still growing. Bitcoin on a falling wedge. Ethereum. Let's look at the Ethereum, dude. Oh, it's rejecting 705. Oh no. The madness. Where can it go? Well, really, the 20 moving average doesn't seem so far-fetched right now. 678 and then 671 would be targets to the downside if Bitcoin keeps on dropping. But you know, Bitcoin's done these moves before, so I'm not super worried about it yet, like I said, right? Let's go on the 1 hour. Check it out. Auto. There we go. Still, we've gone lower to close, right? We've actually wicked all the way down here. So, I mean, I'm not super happy with Bitcoin. It's still bullish AF. We'll see what it does. Absolute mine. If I were you, I would use StreamYard. You would stream your live, but it would appear here on YouTube as well as Facebook through a medium called StreamYard. Imagine the same live on Facebook as well. I sort of do that. Thanks for that one tip. I'll write it down. I didn't know about StreamYard. But guess what? We're live right now in a couple platforms. Where's my lives? It's here. I'm getting the warning from Periscope, but look, I'm live on Periscope, so that means I'm live on Twitter. I'm live on D Live. It's loading though, right? But I'm live on D Live, and I'm also live on Twitch. So I'm live on a couple platforms besides YouTube at the same time. So I cannot be on Facebook with the same account. I'm using Restream.io. This platform, Restream. I'm going out to all these platforms at the same time. It's just to go on to, I can only have a Facebook Live for personal profile. And if I were to pay, which I don't want to pay, because the only thing I could get is Facebook Live and maybe another custom RTMP. But I don't want to go on my live personal Facebook. I want to go on the State of Crypto, which I cannot do. Unless I make a personal account for the State of Crypto, which I could. Then I could probably stream there as well, but you can go into many options, right? Look, Periscope, Twitter, LinkedIn, VK Live, D Live, Dailymotion, Trovo, Mixcloud, Kakao. There's so many places where you can go and stream at the same time. Even on Steam, right? But yeah, I'm using Restream, dude. Also, how do you create your backdrop on YouTube? It has the glass in the corner and your name on top. It looks fresh. I like to create something similar. Right, that comes from Stream Elements. One more comment for the Marsh 200 comment. How do you know? Godspeed. Thanks, dude. We're still marching to 200. I've forgotten. I'm not sure we're gonna get there, man. I'm not sure how many comments we've gotten. But you're asking about that. That comes from here. I'm not sure what information I'm gonna show. Just give me a second, though. All right, so Stream Elements. Right, that's where I get everything for my stream set up, and the overlay I made. So if I go here and edit, you'll see the overlay that I have right now. I'll show. Right, so the image in the background is an image that me and my brother made. Then you have last donation, had donation. You put the donators' names. This is what I just typed in. This is the goal, also controlled by Stream Elements. Then subscriber alerts, also controlled by Stream Elements. The chart that pops up when someone subscribes or does something comes from Stream Elements. And the hype cup, right, that's right here, also comes from Stream Elements. So all that is controlled through Stream Elements, my friend. Yep. Also tips, when they get announced, it's through Stream Elements. So yep, Stream Elements or Stream Labs, you can use both, right? They're both good. But the overlay was made by me and my bro. So the little name that pops up right here, it's we actually put it there on the image. Most of the stuff here in the background, etc., comes from the image. I'll switch things real quick. This comes from Stream Elements. This what else? This one also comes from Stream Elements, and then my interview panel also comes from Stream Elements. Right, that is this one here. So when I interview someone, which I rarely do, I'm looking at the screen usually. So it looks really cool because if I'm sitting like this, it looks as though I'm looking at the person I'm interviewing. It also comes from Stream Elements. Right, so that's where the things come from on the State of Crypto. But I also made this layout for the interview panel. Right. For some reason the chat's not loading here. I gotta check it out, but you know, most of the stuff comes from there. Well, I made it and placed it there. I hope that answers your question. And everything else in the stream I placed. So the little Hulk and Deadpool and everyone else that pops up in that corner over there. That corner right here. Where is it? Right there, man. My finger looks weird. There we go. That corner right there. It comes from images I edited and placed there. Yep. I hate the fact that Bitcoin is losing the 26,400 area. Not looking too hot, right? The question is, will we make it to 200 comments? Do we want to know what happens at 200? I'm helping to 200 comment mark. See if that counts. I'm not sure if that's going to count. We should be close though, I guess. There we go. Adding my 2 cents. Hopefully it'll count. It'll count. Oh no, we only have 6 people watching and very few typing. What are we gonna do? Buffmo, tonight's winner with 15 points so far. Boomer in second place with 5 points, and the rest get 0 points for participation because y'all didn't guess any of the movies that I was quoting. Tomorrow on the State of Crypto, more analysis. I would love to stay here, guys, and keep on chatting, you know, trying to get to that 200 comment mark. But it just feels like I'm dragging on the stream, and I really don't want to have a 2-hour stream. I already have a 2-hour and 12-minute stream, but it's not so good when people see that someone's been live for 2 hours on YouTube because they don't want to see. They don't want to see the that they have to watch something for 2 hours, right? So like the shorter time scale, the better it is. Where you at count them all later, bot. It's not. It's what? No, it's that Bitcoin for that 25,000. Maybe, dude. Time. No, it's that time. Ethereum still weird. Yeah, we. Y'all typing in once and we get. Bob, watch out, dude. The bot might take it as spam and you might get frozen for like 5 minutes. A time we get some sleep. Yes, I agree. How many more? I have no clue how many more comments to 200, bro. We get some sleep, wake up, allow it. Millionaires. Yeah, I guess, dude. Is my Bitcoin not dropping on my chart? My Bitcoin is at 26,000 on my chart. What are you talking about? It is dropping. How much more you want it to drop? 25,998. Yeah, it's already there, bro. My chart is magic. It holds value. It is dropping, dude. I'm seeing it live. It says 26,011. Just trying to pump a little bit. But it's just dropping slowly, though. That's why, right? It's like in slow motion. Yeah, there's probably a delay. I'm not sure, dude. This thing hasn't told me like 200 chats. I know we've gotten a lot of chats since. I'm not gonna count them, but I know there's been a lot of chats. Look, I'll show you. Here's where it told me that I had 200, right? Or 100. And look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And look at this. Many chats after. Maybe not that many. But it still doesn't like give me that. I want 88 at 30 cents. Well, I want DVT at like $5, bro. Dude, must be a delay. Yeah, rise, Bitcoin. Rise, Lord. Bitcoin is dropping, dude. We're going to go to 24K. Alright, 25,500 and then 24,900, right? So, not really liking this. The only thing we do have now, guess what? There's a positive momentum on here, and now we can do something with the chart after like 2 hours of being live, and is this magical thing that is called bullish divergence strong. We don't have anything against the RSI. We're sold at 33.64, but look, low. Lower low, native, less native, some strong bullish divergence starting to develop, right? Maybe potential action to the upside happening. It could still drop to there. We'll still make more negative momentum. Let's see if we can hold on to that, and if we can get this to pop. Pop, lock, and drop it. Again, look at this, right? We don't have it here. It's magical. because I forgot to anchor. Visibility on the 1 hour. Dude, by the way, guys, I haven't had any dinner yet, so I'm starving, and this thing doesn't want to tell me that I got 200 comments already, so... We're allowed to ask for $5. What? What, Steve? I didn't get that. We're allowed to ask for $5 and what? 233, 185, very, very close to starting to create some hidden divergence on the 1 hour, on the daily, so on the 4 hour, sorry. Yeah. Everyone phone the institutions and tell them to buy. Yeah. Buy the Bitcoin, it's going down. Yeah. We're still on a falling wedge, right? I mean, just because we dropped doesn't mean we're out of it. We just gotta re-anchor, right? And we're still making a falling wedge, sort of. Just gotta wait for it. I can't help it. Yeah, it's fine. I really want the strong bullish to kind of kick it up. And then we see a $30,000 Bitcoin by New Year's. I doubt it, though. We're still like 3 days away. Let's see what's going to happen, man. Let's see what's going to happen with the Bitcoin, bro. Bitcoin, bros. Lamauth, you read my comments so long after they're relevant. I can't help it. You internet's so slow. No, for some reason the chat's delayed, bro. No bull pennant on daily. Doubt it. Let's see. Not really. I mean, let me get to a clear chart. I mean, yeah, do you want to use the wicks? If you want to use the wicks, then we're going there, right? Don't look too hot. So, I don't like that. Then if we want to use this one, then we're going like that, and then we're going like that. So we're making like a broadening wedge, right? So don't look too good either. The 1 hour, it's not looking horrible yet. All right, the 1 hour looks more dramatic, but let's go here for this one. Like, what are we making, bro? Well, here we can go with that, right? On the 4 hour, look at that. Even if I use the wicks, we'll be sort of making a triangle right now. Sort of symmetrical, sort of slightly upsloping, but not looking too hot. That's what I'm going with the bodies, right? Plus, the bodies are not allowing for that volatility on the wicks. Right, so it's just going body to body. I mean, sort of have a falling wedge. If we zoom out, then yeah, look, impulse up, consolidating, making it a flag, right, for impulse to the upside. So again, like I said, it's not looking too bad. I'm not super worried for Bitcoin yet. It's pulling back up right now. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it wants to do, man. Let it chill. Still have this strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Yeah, the bot's censoring me in case I'll tell everyone about the aliens that only I know about. Yeah, looks like a dragon. Are you talking harmonics, dude? I don't like doing harmonics. So if that's what you're telling me, it looks like a dragon. Oh, I can only type so many comments. Yeah, dude, there's a delay, so it's like a spam filter. But you're an admin, you should be above that spam filter. It's weird. Yeah, are you calling for like some kind of harmonic pattern, dude? I don't like doing harmonics. But I'll show you where the dragon is. Let me go on another chart so I can show you the dragon. There's the dragon. And he'll
It's fire upon the non-believers of the Bitcoin.
Right. Like that dragon. Stuff 30, so I can't even think. Yeah, dude, I feel the same way. I just had a very, very long day with like. So I'm just even goofing off right now, but it does look like a dragon, right? I did draw a dragon with like weird wings, like Red Bull wings, I guess. That's it, dudes. I'm gonna be done for tonight. Like my brain's fried. Yeah, I know it's a nice dragon, bro. I'm an artist. I'm like the Picasso of charts. Chart art. Ah, dude. I'm done, guys. That's gonna be for tonight. I'm like super beat. Yeah, well, thanks, Steve. Guys, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub again. This is Instead of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Monday night. Fuck, it's Monday. It already feels like Friday, man. Bob, Steve saying one day I'll have 200 comments in 10 minutes. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have. Good night, y'all. Thanks, Epstolic. I know we're here super early. Soka's here. I'm late. Yeah, Soka, hit that like, man. Emote also. Yeah, that's cool. Soka, you missed something interesting towards the beginning. I can't remember what it was, but it was something that I wanted to point out to you, and I've forgotten. You didn't get notified? I know, dude. People are not getting notified. That's why I went on the Discord. By the way, guys, I hope you find the content to be entertaining and educational. If you did, hit that like, that button, that sub. Again, this is Instead of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Monday night. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Instead of Crypto. Till then.